Cannabidiol, or CBD, is one of the 113 parts of the marijuana plant. Many people have heard of THC, the chemical in marijuana that causes a high. However, many people do not know about CBD. Cannabidiol, or CBD, is the non-psychoreactive part of the drug. This means that it does not share the same CB1 receptors or cannabinoid pathways to the brain as the THC chemical in marijuana.
Basically, CBD cannot make you high. Cannabidiol is proven by the Cancer Society to kill off ID1 genes in cancer cells. ID1 genes are what causes cancer to become malignant or to spread. CBD disrupts the endoplasmic reticulum of cancer cells by destroying the calcium metabolism.
This pushes excess amounts of calcium into what is known as the cytosol, or the watery part of the cell's cytoplasm. When this happens, the cancer cells die. Cannabidiol activates CB receptors in the body and helps cancer cells and tumors to create ceramide.
This compound goes inside the cancer cells and prevents the mitochondria in the cell from getting any energy from oxygen. CBD also taps into the body's caspases, families of enzymes that break down proteins, which also kills cancer cells.
Hi, my name's Destiny. My stepdad went through colon cancer and he had a surgery to remove the colon cancer, and then they decided to do chemo because he was too young and they wanted to make sure that the cancer wouldn't come back. But then after chemo, he lost all the senses, all his nerves in his hands and his feet, and he the cancer grew back somewhere else, and they wanted to do chemo again, but he didn't want to do chemo again, so he did more research and he found out a more natural way to cure his cancer. So he did cannabis oil. So he got his medical marijuana license, and then he made the cannabis oil. He just looked on YouTube and learned how to make it, and he cured his cancer. Then they removed the port so they didn't have to do chemo anymore, and now he's cancer free. He just went for his last surgery to reverse his colon back to normal.
Are you familiar with the ID1? No. Okay, so that's a gene that causes cancer to spread. So when cancer becomes malignant, it's because of ID1.
Okay.
So do you know what cannabidiol is?
No, but maybe something to do with marijuana?
Yes. Okay, so that's the part of the THC plant that does not cause the high.
Okay.
So did you know that cannabidiol can stop the production of ID1, which means it stops cancer from spreading and becoming aggressive?
No, I didn't.
Do you know it's backed by cancer societies and supposedly the government? How do you feel that we not essentially have a cure, but a solution to stopping the spread of cancer, and it's illegal?
The government's a piece of shit.
Do you believe marijuana is actually bad for you based on common knowledge on these questions?
No.
Maybe we should try to make it legal. Maybe implement that and try to help some people.
Alright, so based on that stuff and based on your common knowledge of marijuana, do you believe that it's actually bad for you, or do you think it could be